She's so timid. It's good for her to be with someone who is outgoing yet laid back. You know what I mean? Like, the other kids just don't interact with her. They're like, oh, screw you. But, like, he just keeps on trying. He's telling her, he's like, listen, I'm trying to tell you this. It's hot. Look at her lip out. Dinah hot! Dinah hot! I might get in here now.
He's like, oh cool, I get to play with the hot.
Gracie!
You're doing his Paris Hilton imitation?
Yeah, that's I know that's what it sounds like.
Oh yeah! I know Dave's like, what's he hanging around with Paris?
Oh, look out!
I said.
You see Katie?
He doesn't know, but they would have threw or something bad.
Can John see Kitty?